Hey everyone, welcome back to Freelancer Web Guru channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to fix a common issue faced by a Mac operating system user. When you try to run a Python code and get the error command not found. Alright, this one is the Python code, and now I'm gonna run this code, and here you will see command not found. So let's fix this issue. You can fix this issue from here. Now click on this drop down icon and second option, run Python file. You can fix this issue from here, but for the Mac user, you can install a extension. So I'm gonna click on extensions and search here for the code runner, and you will see the code runner. So I'm gonna click on manage. Inside the manage you will see settings. So I'm gonna click on settings, and here you will find out uh, executor map, code runner executor map. So I'm gonna click on edit in settings.json file. So I'm gonna click on it and search here Python. So I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, here you will see Python. So I'm gonna write here 3 Python 3 and save this file. I'm gonna cross it and back to the main Python code. You will see here this one is the Python code. So now I'm gonna write another statement. So I'm gonna copy from the first one and paste here. I'm gonna write instead of hello, hi, and save it. Now I'm gonna click on the run code. And you will not see in the output the error. You will see your output hello world or hi world. So in this way you can fix the command not found issue. Thank you.